Hey guys, welcome back to another Quick Inform video. In today's video, we're talking about US Mobile and finally how it has added the Google Pixel Watch now supported, should I say, to be able to use on US Mobiles. The carrier, remember US Mobile is a prepaid carrier. It does run off mainly on Verizon's network and T-Mobile and now AT&T. So they do use the three big carriers, guys, but I always use the Verizon side just because it works better on in my area. But enough of that. Let's get into today's news. So let's go. They don't really do a really good job of advertising it either here in the main page. You actually have to look for it a little bit. But if you just go to plans, you'll see it will pop up. So of course these are the monthly plans that US Mobile does have, which for $35 on a month, it is uncapped data, so it's pretty cool there. But like I said, let's get into today's news and video. So as you can see, here it is. You can do annual plan, as you can see, for the watch. The companion plan is $78 a year or $6.50 a month. Or standalone plan where it has its own basically number. It says watch only plan, perfect for kids and seniors. It's $78. It's the same price. But if you do monthly, guys, if you put it on unlimited premium, this is a free feature. A standalone plan is $9.50 a month, which is still very cheap. Like I said, this is a watch only plan. If you just want its own number, the watch can have its own number. You can call it and stuff like that. But if you want the companion plan, like I said, this plan you connect it to your phone, and it'll have the same phone number. So if you leave the phone at the house and you're at the store with your watch and someone calls you, it will ring to your phone number, which is pretty nice. So like I said, it's a companion plan. Unlimited talk and text, unlimited data, Wi-Fi, call enabled, instant eSIM activation, 24/7 customer support, and sync with iPhone. But of course, like I said, that was something that they did add, which was the Apple Watch. But now they did the Pixel Watch, which for us, or some of us Android users, or shall I say really Google users as well, but really Android, now you can get the Pixel Watch, and I'm pretty sure later on they will use the Samsung Watch. So I'm pretty surprised that they didn't add the Samsung Watch before the Pixel Watch. But maybe the Pixel Watch, it's just easier to put. But it says with your smart watch plan, leave your phone at home and stay connected. Perfect for a run, hike, or just a little offline time. Available on Warp, and that's the Warp is a Verizon's network, really. So you can get started, but let's look more about the Pixel Watch. So you can see Pixel Watch plans are here for $6.50 a month or free with unlimited premium. Like I said, if you're paying that monthly premium, that's $78 a month. But if you have the unlimited premium, it is free. That's stuff we just went over. You can watch a little bit of video of that, but I don't want to get copyrighted. 16 seconds, but basically it's just saying, that the plan's not available on US Mobile, which I do love. US Mobile is a good carrier. It says how it works. The companion plan says tie your Pixel Watch plan to your existing Pixel phone line. Great for runners, hikers, swimmers, and anyone who wants a break from their phone without losing touch. Leave your phone at home. Bring talk, text, music, apps, audiobooks, and more of the good stuff with you right on your wrist. It requires a Pixel phone, not supported on other Android devices. So like I said, this Pixel Watch is meant for Google Pixel. So if you have a Samsung, not yet supported, but Apple Watches are supported. That was the first one to be supported, as you can see. There it is. So it's pretty cool imagery right there. It says some questions. I don't have a line on Warp. Can I still activate a Pixel Watch plan? No, we currently only support the watch plans on our Warp network and only support the companion plan for Pixel Watches. It says, am I eligible for a free Apple Watch plan? If you have a Warp line on unlimited premium, monthly or annually, you do get the line for free. If not, it's $6.50. Can you keep your own number? It says, we support the companion plan for Pixel Watches. Your Pixel Watch will be synced to the number on your Pixel phone. For your Pixel phone, yes, you can keep an existing number you already own. Can get a number. Like I said, they only support the companion app, which remember companion attaches to your phone. It says, which Android devices will my Pixel Watch plan work with? Currently, your Pixel Watch plan will only work on a Pixel phone. Others are not supported just yet. So, I mean, some of that's just, But overall, I think this is pretty cool. Like I said, US Mobile, it's nice that you can buy by the gig or unlimited, which is the one that a lot of people get. And of course, it is highly rated. Like I said, I've used US Mobile. I actually have it on my son's iPad, and it's truly unlimited, and it's great. So you can even try it for free for 30 days. So check that out. So thanks for coming and watching the video, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Check out the description. You want to support the channel. It does make me make more videos and just helps overall. Thanks so much and have a good day.